can't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another creative. Today we're gonna, y'all already saw the thumbnail, come on bro. My arm is literally tingling right now. Like, we got a lot of packages to go through. I'm not gonna waste none of your time. If you already here, you might as well go ahead and subscribe down below. Click the like button. Bro, click the like button. Like, it's so simple. Literally just go down there, slap it while you're down there, make that red subscribe button gray, and let's go ahead and get straight to it, bro. Let's not waste no time. I got a lot of heat to show you guys today, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to. So I'm gonna just start picking packages straight off the top. I believe I have a couple Supreme weeks in this video. I got some FTP. I got like 3 pairs of kicks that I do want to get through. This first package right here is from FTP. This is actually a banger. These are the crosshair shorts, if I'm not mistaken. These do say FTP all around it. I'm gonna take them out for you guys. I did get these in a size XL, which may have been a big ass mistake, to be honest. I don't know if y'all see, but my jawline is in the chat, so I feel like a XL is low-key. Look at these bitches. Like, need I say more, bruh? These bitches look like capris. I kind of want to try them, but I'm scared to, because I feel like these pants are so sick. I believe I paid like $70-ish, something like that for these. I know the FTP isn't super expensive, but I do love the actual design on it. I just feel like it's so sick, and if I can at least shrink these, I'm gonna be happy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let me know what y'all thought about this FTP drop as well. There was a couple pieces that I didn't manage to hit on, which honestly I really do want, like the mini basketball hoop. I feel like that shit was sick, but these are fire nonetheless. The first pickup was the crosshair shorts. These bitches is big as hell. One more time for y'all. Boom. We actually did get like this splatter sticker, as well as this postal office type sticker as well. I do like the way that FTP does their stickers. They're different than when you normally see. In that same package, we also did have this right here, which I haven't even seen, to be honest, and this is the FTP ping pong paddles. That's so sick, bro. It says FTP right there. You have 3 little ping pong balls, and it does say FTP on the other one right there. I just think these are so sick, and if you have like a little ping pong table or something, this is fire. I don't know what I'll be using these for. One day these will get used. I don't know for what, where, or when, but the little balls do have FTP on it as well. As you can see right here, a little close-up action. It is a wooden ping pong paddle. These are sick, but how much can I really say about this? Next up, we have this package, which I believe is from Supreme. Y'all saw the FTP stickers, right? Look at what the fuck Supreme got going on, bro. 2 regular red box logos, nothing special. And then we do have this little ass box. This shit came destroyed. Mind you, this is like a $80 accessory. This bitch came all the way destroyed. Never mind that. Let's go ahead and pull this out for you guys. This is the Leatherman Squirt PS4 tool. This is basically like a multi-tool that has a knife in it. It has a nail filer. I think it has a beer opener. It has scissors, a can opener, and then another style of can opener if y'all need that too. I think it's a cool tool, to be honest, but for $80 or $70, whatever the retail was for this, is just absurd. I thought this would be like a full-size tool. You're paying $80, so you assume that this bitch is gonna be like a full-size. Damn, I could actually use this. What the fuck am I applying with this, bro? This is like a big toenail clipper. Like, nah, bro, we good on this. At the end of the day, I'm gonna have to keep it. It is what it is. It's just another knife to the collection. I guess it's pretty cool. Next up, we got this box right here, which y'all did see in a video like a week ago. I don't know when this is dropping, to be honest, but y'all did see a review on this sneaker right here. I know it's a little bit late, so I'm gonna briefly talk about it, but these are the Jordan 1, the University Blue colorway. This is a beautiful sneaker. I'm gonna pull it out for you guys. If you are interested in my full review on this sneaker, I am gonna put it in the card up there and in the description as well. But this sneaker right here is gorgeous in my opinion. I love the tone of blue that they used. The quality on it is 100% good, besides the little glue stains all around it pretty much. I do love the actual suede and the tumbled leather right here. It's a great material. I just feel like they could have done better on the craftsmanship. You can see right here, there's a lot of glue stains, and if you go on the inner side, all around here, there are glue stains as well. But this is a beautiful shoe nonetheless. If you're interested in my full opinion, it's gonna be on the card up there, but I do feel like this is a sneaker that that's gonna go up in value oh so much. Right now it's going for like $365. Down the line, this is gonna be a $500-600 sneaker. So hey, if you can get these at the prices that they're at now, definitely recommend it. Just hold it for 6 months to a year. It's a great investment. Honestly, if you think about it like this, you pay $300 for it now, hold it for a year, make $300 profit on top. That's literally an investment, almost like stocks. That's what I look at sneakers as. That's what I look at StockX for. Honestly, if you are interested in the full details, you can check that video out. But the next pickup was the University Blue Jordan 1s. These are my size, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear these hoes. Beautiful shoes, got way too many fucking Jordan 1s. We do have this package as well, which was my last pickup from FTP. I picked up 2 tees, and I feel like both of these are bangers. We did get FTP's iteration of a box logo sticker, I guess. The first piece is this olive tee right here. I'm gonna just call it the tag tee, and I did get this in a size XL olive colorway, which I do think is a beautiful color. I haven't picked up any shirts this color in a minute at least, and this one is fire. Basically says FTP right there. Dude Mans is holding like a spray can or whatever, definitely clean. Then on the back you do have like the bigger branding on it. This is fire, bro. I love the graffiti font on it. Homie with the FTP beanie, it just gives me like 90s tees vibes. It's so sick though, in my opinion. Let me know what y'all feel about this tee. I feel like this is something that I most likely will end up wearing. This is one of the pieces that y'all might see on my Instagram, so let me know what y'all feel about this right here. Throw this to the side. Next up, I actually do remember the name of this one. This is the Nuke Boy tee, if I'm not mistaken, and I got this one in like this bright ass yellow colorway. I feel like I don't have anything in this color, so I decided to just pick this up in this like super strong yellow, like summery feeling ass color. Basically it's this little kid on it with a FTP hat to the side. He's holding a fucking nuke in his hand, and it just looks so playful. I think it's so sick, and if you don't really notice it, you just think this is a peaceful ass shirt, but in the meantime, homie is about to blow shit up. So fire piece in my opinion. I do think that this is a color that I want to start incorporating more into my t-shirt collection, or just in general. I just want to add some colors that aren't typical of me to wear, and once again, y'all might see me freaking this shortly. So hey, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Next up, we got another banger, bro. This is from Supreme, and if y'all saw my live cops and have been staying tuned to what I've been doing on the channel, y'all probably know that they gave me 2 regular ass stickers, and I did get the Dashes Wall hoodie. I'm gonna take this one out the package. This hoodie is a banger, bro. Like probably my favorite Supreme hoodie that I own. This shit is beautiful. Honestly, it's a little disturbing if you really look at it. I'm not gonna show you guys what's really going on this hoodie. Honestly, there's so much other cool shit on here that I might even make a review on this hoodie, bro. When I first started doing YouTube, I used to do reviews for individual Supreme pieces. I don't know if that's something you guys would still be into, but I feel like this is one of the hoodies that definitely deserves its own review. There's so much shit going on this one, bro. First of all, there's a Jordan retro card right here, a Jordan 1 retro card. Look at the back of the hoodie in itself. There's literally so much shit going on this Saddam Hussein newspaper. You can see at the bottom that it says Kobe's 911 call. This is probably my favorite part of the hoodie. There's like this graffiti around the sleeve, and it even does follow through onto the cuff of the hoodie, bro. This is definitely not a half-assed piece. They killed it with this one, bro. Like even the inside of the hoodie finishes the design. I'm really excited to pair these up with one of the pieces that I'm gonna show you guys next. Bro, if y'all want a full review for this, let me know in the comments. This is probably one of my favorite pieces. I know I was saying all that favorite piece talk, but it's definitely not better than these babies right here. I got these from eBay, and yes, I opened them. I'm sorry, bro. Like I'm sorry. Right here you can see authenticity guarantee. We not messing with the foo-foo shit off eBay no more. So open this up, and y'all already know what time it is, bro. I had to pay resale for these hoes. Like I could not let these go up in price like those off-white Jordan 4s. I cannot. I really am confident that this sneaker is gonna be one of the sneakers of the year. Mark my word on that, and I had to follow through with it, bro. This is the Maniere Jordan 3s, one of my favorite Jordan 3s. Honestly, I know it's soon to be saying the favorite Jordan talk, but I did get these for the personal. Ain't no flipping. I know that these are gonna be worth some money in the future, but this is honestly just gonna go to the toe. It does come with the authenticity card, as you can see right there, authentic, Flip this open and y'all can see the Manieres in full effect. Bruh, come on. Definitely cannot go wrong with this sneaker right here. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is one of the sneakers that when it's all said and done, this is gonna go for bread, bro. You got the A right there on the front. I'm gonna show you guys in detail real quick. Look at these. Got the Maniere tag right there. I'm gonna do a full review on these. I don't know if it's out yet or before this video. I don't know. You got that plumish color right there. Cream tab on the back. Bro, it has words behind the like, come on, bro. They did not miss at all with the sneaker. The quality is 100% on point. The outsole right there with that plum color. You got the aged midsole as well. They come with an extra set of laces. You just cannot go wrong with this sneaker. I probably would put this on it. Got the aged eyelets, bro, like sewn in Jumpman on the front, quilted inside. Like, they just did not miss at all with this shoe. You got that Maniere A on the inside as well. These right here are gonna hit for something special in the future, bro. These are gonna be $1,000 shoe. Go back to this video, or if I talk about this shoe in a sneaker collection in the future, and you feel me, these are gonna be worth beanery, bro. Like, the beanery factory is gonna be on these for sure. It's a beautiful shoe. Details are on point. I'm telling you, if you haven't picked it up, it's dropping or probably dropped by now. My bad. Don't sleep on these bitches. But this was the Jordan 3 Maniere in full effect. Honestly, if you haven't picked these up yet, I would highly consider it. You low-key put these down with caution. Last up, we got the iconic, some heat. This is like some personal heat. This literally tickles my heart a little bit. I love these shoes. It might not be so special for you guys, but for me, this is one of the sneakers that like solidified the game for me, you feel me? When I was younger, my dad took me to, I believe it was Models, and I was looking for a pair of Varsity red Jordan 6s. I'll probably put a picture up for you guys, and they were fully sold out. The only colorway they had was this right here, and honestly, I'm so happy that I was able to get those. You don't understand, I burnt those to the ground. Like, I took the insole out of those. I rocked them shits till my toe was poking out the fucking leather in the front. I'm trying to tell you, I bought those sneakers like 3 times so far, and hopefully this is the last time. I outgrew every single time. So right here we do have the Laker Jordan 6s, bro. Beautiful sneaker. Like, I really do love these. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the ones that like brings back Jordan memories for me. I remember that year they dropped like 5 Jordan 6s around the same period of time. It was the Varsity Reds, the Oreos, Piston Jordan 6s, these, another pair as well. I think it was the Olympic 6s. That year was the year of the Jordan 6, in my opinion. In the stitching, there's like this purple and yellow stitching, bro. Like, I've never seen it on a Jordan before. If you really pay close attention to it, you could kind of see it. It's like purple and yellow all around it. This gray part is actually 3M. It is a Jumpman on the back. You got the yellow A, white I, purple R. Beautiful sneaker. Like, wearing these on my feet, I felt so fresh. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it gives you like a different feeling stepping out in some J's, especially these. For me, this was it, bro. That's why I love Jordan 6s so much. I've been fortunate enough to be talented on eBay. I used to find so many steals on eBay back in the day. I'm probably dropping a video on what to do to find steals on eBay. If you guys are interested in something like that, click the post notification bells, because that video should be coming soon. The next sneaker that I'm on the hunt for is military blue Jordan 4s. I need those. That's like the last sneaker from back in the day that I had that I need, bro. Like, I really do love the military blue Jordan 4s. This is the last pickup for this video. Let me know what y'all thought about this one, man. If you did enjoy, slap a fat like on this video. It definitely would mean so much. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget, man, look at the sub count. Look at the sub count. Don't just look at it and not subscribe. Like, it doesn't make sense, bro. Y'all saw the heat. I brought y'all new heat, old heat, clothing heat, different brands of heat. Just subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have so much more content on the way for y'all. Thank you for always showing love. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.